Today we're going to have a look at one of our early readers that are in our online library. We're looking at our level 7 and today's book, Pat's Kite, is book 6 of level 7. You'll notice in level 7 we have a Phonics Focus, and today's book has the Phonics Focus sound of I, made by I split E, I by itself, and Y. So let's jump in and have a look at the text. Before we begin, we like to encourage students to do a word warm-up. This is the practice of reading words with the I sound, and you can see them over here. We also have our sight word warm-up as well. Now, as students read, if they come to a word that they don't know, they can click on the word and hear it being sounded out.
K-I-T, kite. M-I-K, Mike.
So that part to whole is really important. Then they have a go at reading, and finally they can hear the sentence being read to them fluently using this Read to Me button.
Pat got a new kite as a gift from his pal Mike.
Let's have a listen to the whole story and spot as many I words as we can.
The kite is white with 5 stripes on it. It has lime ribbons that fly when the kite is high in the sky. I will ride my bike to the park so that I can fly my kite, Pat told his mum. The wind was just right and the kite flew high up in the sky. This made Pat smile. The kite went up very high. My kite looks nice in the sky with the lime ribbons that fly. The wind blew hard. Pat's kite flew into a tree. It was stuck up high. Pat began to cry. Mike was jogging by. Hi, Pat. Hi, Mike. Can you help me get my kite? It is stuck high up in that tree. Mike went up the tree and got the kite. Thanks, Mike. You are so kind. Next time I will fly my kite at the beach. There are no trees at the beach, Pat told Mike.
And at the end of those beautiful little stories, we have some comprehension questions that the educator can ask about the story just to check for understanding.